Welcome to IDTRAX. In this video, we show you how to get started, from making your account right through to ordering your first vaccines. Follow along on your own screen. Do you already use Logix, IDTRAX or DSS? If yes, you already have a username and a password. You do not need to register again. If you have never used any of them, you must register a new account. First, the new farmer with no account. Under personal information, your name, surname and ID number. Then under contact information, your cell phone number and your email address. Use an email you can open right now because we send you a code to it. Lastly, choose a username and a password. Type the password again to confirm. Write it down somewhere safe. IDTRAX now sends a 6-digit code to your email. The page shows which email address we sent it to. Open the email from IDTRAX. There is a big 6-digit number. That is your code. Type the code in the blocks. It saves by itself. You are in. That is it. Your account is made and you are logged in. Because you're registered here on IDTRAX, you get the full setup, 6 steps. Let's take you through them now. Farms and camps. Step 1. We put your farm on the map. Tap the pieces of land that make up your farm. They must touch each other. Then drag the gold pin to the front gate within the boundaries. Give the farm a name and type in your 13-digit GLN number. Save it. Now the camp's inside the farm. Click Add Camp. Tap on your farm on the map. Draw the camp inside the farm boundary. Give it a camp name and save. Do this for every camp. Herd mark. Step 2. Step 2 is your brand mark, your herd mark. Choose your 3 symbols so they look exactly like your registered brand mark. Then upload a picture or PDF of your brand mark certificate and save. When it is done, you see a green tick and the words brand mark registered. Step 3. Capture animals. Now we put your animals on the system.
Select your species, pick from cattle, sheep or goats. Then select your breed of animal on your farm. Make sure everything is correct, then click Confirm.
A few animals. Use the +1, +5 or +10 buttons to fill in the rows yourself. Scan or type the electronic tag, choose sex, put in the birth date and the sequence number. Many animals? Click Download Template. Fill your animals into the Excel file on your computer. Then click Import Excel and pick the file. IDTRAX loads them all at once. When everything looks right, click Submit Animals. Step 4. Allocate Animals. Tell IDTRAX where your animals are standing. Tick the animals, click Allocate, then pick the farm or camp. Tap on the map where they are and click Confirm. Now every animal has a home. This step matters for ordering. IDTRAX counts the animals standing on a farm to work out how many doses you may order. An animal that is not on a farm does not get counted. Step 5. My Veterinarian. Choose your vet. You need 1 private vet and 1 state vet. Search for your vet by name or by town and click on him or her. Do it for your private vet and your state vet. Then click Save. Order vaccines. Step 6. This is the last step. This is what all the work was for, ordering your vaccines. Place your order. Fill in the order form top to bottom. Choose the disease, then the vaccine, then the farm, and check your vet. Then type how many animals you are ordering for. IDTRAX tells you the most you are allowed to order. If you wonder where the number comes from, look at these two blocks. Animal eligibility shows how many of your animals count. It takes out animals that are not cattle, animals that were culled, and animals under 5 months. Order allowance shows you have already ordered and which animals are still in their 45-day waiting period. When it looks right, click Submit Order. Then go back to the top of the wizard and click Finish Setup. That closes the setup for good. Next time you log in, IDTRAX takes you straight to your dashboard.